Hey guys, this is Amarin, and today I'm going to be going over part 1 of how to make a resin coaster completely at home. And to start off with, we're going to be making our mold. I am using Amazing Rubber's liquid mold making rubber kit. I got mine from the local Hobby Lobby for $19.99. You can probably find it cheaper online somewhere, but this is the one that I had available to me. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to be mixing the base with the catalyst. And to do that, the instructions say for every 2 ounces of base you use 1 scoop, which is provided, of catalyst. And you just do that until it covers your positive by at least 1/4 of an inch inside the mold box. After you've gotten it all mixed up and everything, you can go ahead and start pouring it into your mold box. Just keep in mind that you have about 20 minutes worth of work time before it starts to set and harden. And you can pour it in small layers if needed, just so that you're not having to work past that 20 minutes. There won't be any visible lines or layer differentiation. Silicone is really good about sticking to itself. Okay, and now that we've gotten everything poured in and we've got all of our layers, we're going to go ahead and let it set for about 2 to 8 hours, and we'll be back to take out our coaster and see what we have. Okay, and now that it's time to demold, I actually didn't wait the 2 to 8 hours. I let mine set overnight, but that is perfectly fine as well. You don't have to get the material out in 2 to 8 hours or anything like that. It's just you have to wait about 2 to 8 hours to be able to take the positive out of the mold. So I'm going to go ahead and demold this. I'm going to clean up the mold a little bit, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and the second part of this video, which is the actual casting of the coaster, will be up next week. Thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please be sure to leave them in the comment section down below, and every material that I used will also be linked in the description box below. Thanks guys, have a good one.